Hey there, Nikki Traikos here of Li-Fi Design. I just wanted to come in with something a little bit different today. I just hit launch on one of my business classes that I created about a year or so ago to help other calligraphers start and grow their calligraphy business. I've been doing calligraphy now since about 2012, and it's been a bulk of how I earn an income in my business. Yes, part of my business is also art-based, but the majority of my revenue has come from designs that I've created using a dip pen and ink, using a brush pen. Calligraphy was, I would say, the jumping off point for my business. I learned a lot over the years, and what I wanted to do was create a class that could help guide you if you're just starting a calligraphy business. So it's taking the proper steps that I would have liked to have taken, having a bit of a roadmap, and even doing things like looking at your personal skills that you currently have and what you need to do to grow those skills in order to start a successful calligraphy business. You may not know this, but I was actually a freelance makeup artist for about 13 years before I started my art journey with Li-Fi Design. And I learned a lot from that business because it was more service-based. So when I can transfer skills and knowledge and experience and be able to teach you how to create a long-term business, then I feel like that will save you time, it will save you money, and even agony when it comes to starting a calligraphy business. So I do have some tips for you if starting a calligraphy business of your own is something that is in your future. If you enjoy doing lettering and calligraphy and offering it to friends and family, you can make money from that. And I believe that making money from home is a gift. Being able to have some freedom and flexibility is a blessing, especially now in this day and age. Even if it was something that you're doing part-time and wanted to supplement your full-time income, I mean, what better way to earn money than to be able to letter something beautiful, offer that up to a customer, and then being paid for that service. It's amazing. I remember the first time I got paid to do my calligraphy, I almost didn't want to take the money because I was like, I loved just being able to letter this for you. And now you're gonna pay me? So wouldn't it be amazing for you to be able to do that as well? Well, I'm here to tell you it is 100% possible. And with my online course that I just released, I've actually released a few bonuses for you. I'm a big believer of being able to create multiple streams of income, and passive income is one of those multiple streams. I wake up in the morning and I check the different sites that I have my calligraphy and lettering listed on, and I wake up to new sales every day. And those sales will fluctuate. It'll depend on the season. If it's a heavy retail buying season, like before Christmas, Mother's Day, things like that. But that's only one of the multiple streams of income that I've been able to grow and put in place in my business. So that's one thing that I want you to think about. And the way that you can create passive income really easily is by understanding how to digitize your lettering. So as bonus number one, I've actually included my how to digitize your calligraphy and lettering as part of this package. So you get free access to that class. It is easy to follow. It's very simple using Adobe Illustrator. I also demonstrate Photoshop, but it's a great introduction for you to start building that skill. Okay, so again, when we look at the how to start your calligraphy business from home class, I talk to you about skills. I get you to list what skills you have and what skills you need to start working on. Okay, so that digitizing class is a bonus, so you get that for free. Next, what I would have loved for myself is I would have loved to have had a mentor or someone that I can ask questions to that are personal to me. That I feel like was a big piece that was missing in my business. So as another bonus for this release, I'm actually giving you 2 Skype one-on-one calls with me. So I will help you figure out what the best strategy is for you. We'll look at what your personal goal is and how to get you there. We'll help you create a plan, and you can break up those sessions. I recommend having one at the start, so maybe doing the first module of the calligraphy business class, and then let's have a Skype call. Let me get to know you a little bit, figure it out with you so that you can achieve your goals a little bit more quickly with a little less struggle and swearing. That's something that I did a lot when I was learning Adobe Illustrator and starting my business. So I'm happy to help you. I'll even curse along with you. So you get the full access to the class. So it is broken down to 4 modules. You get step-by-step plans, worksheets, checklists, and then you also get access to the How to Digitize Your Lettering course right away. I don't hold back on that. and then you have access directly to me. How great is that? We can chat, like I said again, make plans, and I can help get to know your goals and see where you're at and help you along your journey. So that class is available. Those bonuses and special offers are only available until June 9th. So if you're watching this after June 9th, I'm sorry, but the class is still available for you to check out. It's right now at www.lifebydesign.com. If you have any questions about it, please let me know. Send me an email. It's Nicki@lifebydesign.com, and I'm happy to answer any questions to even see if a calligraphy business is right for you or if this class is right for you. But I'm really excited to welcome in new students and have you get started. So thank you for tuning in. This was a little bit different than my normal tutorial, but I thought it was really important to share with you what's happening right now and what's available. So good luck with your calligraphy business journey, and I will see you in the next video.